When people come, they should look at Shillong, Tura, Jawai, and the state as a whole as very clean, and the sense of civic sense and all those aspects is something that I would like to really inculcate. So it's not an easy task, but this is something that I really want to do. So we will align all our actions and our resources and also the stakeholders to work in a much more dedicated manner, in a much more detailed manner, to try and move closer to that goal. So I know it will not be so easy, but we will do that. So that's one thing that I'm really wanting to do, and I will speak about it more. We have already planned many things, and I've already started rolling them out also. But as I said, maybe at a later date I'll share the detailed plan with you. But that's something that I really want to do. I've been always wanting to find a solution to this entire situation of the teachers in the ad hoc and SSA teachers. And last year, in the beginning of the year, I had told myself as a part of my resolution that I will find a solution to this. And before the end of the year, I will do something to find a solution so that we are able to have some kind of stability and some kind of functionality going on in a smooth manner, and issues like this no longer crop up in the future. And I'm happy that we were able to resolve that last year. We came to a conclusion right at the end of the year. Implementation, of course, will take place in April. But the decision has been made, and they are all aware about the decision, and it was done at a very large scale in terms of discussions. So therefore, we always have that, and it helps us work forward. Scholarships were an issue, which I said that, look, I'm going to find a solution to this also, so that in the future, there's no delay in scholarships, and we managed to speak to Government of India and resolve it.